Hey, look, man, I ain't got a lot of time to do a lot of talking, so I'm gonna keep it real simple and plain. So, favorite cousin, Young Jock, with my dog, Donk Master. We live at my new exclusive rim shop, Exclusive Rims and Tires. Let me tell you something, man. Your man done put it into effect. The man been doing what he's supposed to do. I'm talking about all the right accolades, all the right accreditations, because guess what? NDRA, the only way. A man don't put it into law. A man, what he say is what it goes and what it is. And it's the right people in the right places that's backing everything he say. If he say you can't do it, you can't do it. That's just how I go, man. Hey, y'all already know, man, the NDRA is the only way.
Drop top Caprice with a small little LS in there.
Small LS.
Little twin turbos.
Man, what we got here, Donk, man?
Man,
what we got
Mark,
here?
listen, man. This is the first ever female Donk race ride. They're out of Las Vegas, man. It's Rags and Riches Car Club out of Las Vegas, Nevada. She got right here a twin turbo LS car, 75 Caprice we did a couple months ago. And it's her first time ever going down a racetrack.
First pass,
ever.
ever.
First time ever going down a racetrack.
Anything too.
Anything. Her first time ever right here. Her name Ashley. She from Las Vegas. Rags and Riches Car Club.
Gotcha. Let go get her on camera, y'all. See, she just drove that thing. She just drove it. She got down, y'all. First pass ever. First pass ever. All right, y'all.
That's what he runs. He runs this guy.
That bit dirty too.
It working though. That dirt don't stop it from working. This thing clean, y'all. In and out customs. Twin turbo. This thing nasty. Y'all see she just pushed it down the track. Alright, y'all, we checking in. Hey, go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Blue Angel from Las Vegas.
Blue Angel from Las Vegas. Your ride, tell them about your ride.
1975 drop top Caprice with a small little LS in there.
Small LS.
Little twin turbos.
Donk Master just said this your first time driving down the track ever.
Ever. First time ever in history. First time.
Hey, how you feel?
I'm a little excited.
Yeah, let's say. Hey, look. Were you nervous? Was you nervous?
A little bit.
A little bit. Let's
already
go on now though, right?
Oh, it's over.
Hey, I got to salute you on camera, man. You did a good job, for real.
Thank you.
Said